In today's video, we're going to be installing a Farmhouse Range Hood Kit from Archways Ceilings. I sent them the range hood I planned on using, and they designed and prefabricated all the pieces that I need and sent them over to me. The kit has everything you need, and it includes an installation guide so you know exactly how to put everything together, and the only thing that you will have to supply are some screws. The instructions are really easy to follow, and all the pieces are labeled with a sticker so you know exactly how everything fits together. It's kind of like building a Lego. I took everything out of the box and started to assemble everything. I started off with the base, and I used some 3-inch screws to tie it all together. The process goes by a lot quicker if you pre-drill before screwing in your screws. Just wanted to mention that this is going to be just the first part of a build series where I show you how I finish up this range hood. So if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and check out my channel and hit that subscribe button. Once I had the base done, I could take the top piece outside and start to install it where it's going to be. I did have to put this piece of 3/4 inch plywood just to serve as kind of a frame, since this range hood is not going to be against the wall. It looks like I'm going to have to reinforce it later on, but we'll see how it holds up. After the first piece is installed, then you can just add the middle piece, and then finally the bottom frame that I just assembled. I switched over to using 1.5-inch screws since I'm going into 3/4 inch plywood. Just put a bunch of them, that's all you really need. Once the bottom base is on, I can start adding the side pieces and then move over to adding the front pieces. Looking back, it would have been a lot easier if I would have just used some nails for this with the nail gun, but I didn't have one, so I didn't have a choice. But I might have to borrow one next time if I ever do this again. I was pretty surprised at how quickly I was able to put this all together. The whole process was pretty straightforward, and I like that Archways Ceilings takes out all the guesswork for you. They just make it ready for you, and then you just install it. I'm going to be including their information so you guys can check them out. And like I said, this is just the first part of the series, so please subscribe so you can be notified when the next video comes out.